Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can create your own MQTT publisher in the Python to publish your data in the JSON payload. Okay, so here you can see our MQTT publisher is publishing the data in the JSON format, or you can say the JSON payload. Now, what we want to do is we want to read this JSON payload in the Python and to extract the data of temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. Then how we can do that? And if your any other MQTT publisher is publishing the data in the JSON format, and if you want to extract the JSON data using Python, then how we can extract it, so that we are going to cover in this video. So right now you can see in the weather topic we have JSON payload with temperature, humidity, and the wind speed data. Now I have to create one Python script which can read this data and which can extract the data from this JSON payload. So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So here you can see how to create MQTT subscriber client in the Python to extract the data from JSON payload. Okay, so let's see the Python script. So here is our Python script, MQTT subscriber with JSON payload. Now we have imported the necessary library and function. Then after, here is my broker details, IP address, and the port number, and here is the topic which we are going to subscribe. So if you see here, you can see weather topic, and weather topic has the JSON payload. So we are going to subscribe to weather topic. We are going to read the data, or you can say we are going to read the payload, and then we are going to extract the data from that payload. Okay, so the topic is weather. After that, we are creating MQTT client to connect with MQTT broker. And then after, whenever any message arrives, okay, whenever my publisher publish any message on this topic, this function will run. Okay, define on message function will run, and this message will extract the data from JSON payload. Here you can see temperature, and it will extract the data from this JSON payload, and the key we are going to extract is the temperature. For humidity, we are going to extract the data from humidity key, and for wind speed, we are going to extract the data from wind_speed key. You can see here the key temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. Here also you can see the key temperature, humidity, and the wind speed, and here is the value for that key. Okay, after that we are connecting with our MQTT broker, and then after we are subscribing to weather topic, and we are going to run the loop forever to read the incoming messages. So let's run this code and let's see the output. So I'm going to open my command prompt here. I'm going to navigate to desktop, and I'm going to run MQTT subscriber. Okay, here you can see we have extracted the data temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. Again, we have extracted the data for temperature, humidity, and the wind speed. So whenever my publisher publish any message, this Python code will read that message. It will extract the data from that JSON payload, and it will print that data here in the command prompt. Now, if you want to use this data to log inside the SQL database, then also we can do that. Also, if you want to convert this data to Modbus, or if you want to pass this data to anywhere else, also you want to create some screen, then also you can do that with the Python. Okay, so the possibilities are limitless, and here you can see we are extracting the data from this JSON payload, and here is our JSON payload. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use Python to connect with MQTT broker. And if your data is in the JSON format, if your topic payload is in the JSON format, then how you can extract the data from that JSON payload. Okay, here on our website I'm going to provide the code. Okay, so same way I'm going to provide the code for this video as well, so you can download the code, or you can copy the code, you can modify the code as per your requirement, and you can use it to extract the data from JSON payload. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or confusion, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Otherwise, we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.